You know what? I think this must be some old people buried here. No. Could it be some black magic or something like that? Come on, let's go treasure hunting! Guys, let's go treasure hunting! Yay! So guys, in today's video, me and my team, we are going to go find treasures, and with us is our treasure hunter Pratap, machine expert Manish, and digging experts these two. And with us is our cameraman Gaju, and we are going treasure hunting. So guys, with the help of this machine here, we are going to find gold, silver, copper, bronze and many more other things. This is going to help us find everything. But before that, I'm going to show you and find a treasure that is buried in our office right here. Our biggest and most important treasure, which we're going to dig out only after 100 years. But let's start testing the machine from here. So guys, I've turned on the machine from here. So the machine is turned on. Oh, don't touch. And now I'm going to press this button and keep this button pressed. And let's see if we can find the treasure. So guys, our treasure is right here. As we get closer to the treasure, the sound gets louder. So guys, our treasure is exactly right here. So what it does is it will alert you if there is a small metal, big metal. It could be gold or it could be silver. So that's the thing. Shall we take out the treasure?
Yes.
No. What is this thing? Beat him up. So guys, this treasure we are going to take out after 100 years. What this is exactly, you can check in the description below. Go and watch the video. And believe me, this is an awesome treasure worth millions and millions. So where do we start from? Let's start from the jungle. So guys, let's listen to treasure hunter Pratap and go to the jungle. Let's go. So Baba, you mean this jungle? Yeah, this jungle. So what are we going to find in there? Many years ago, there was a civilization. Civilization? Yeah, we might find things there. Sure. Let's go. Run.
Stop.
What's here now?
It's saying aluminium.
Dig. Wow, this is already showing us treasures.
1 minute. Hold on. Oh, it's a cap. Let's take it with us.
Look at this. I think this is from a beer bottle. Let's go. Oh, this is showing us treasures everywhere. Get the settings right, bro. Wow, man. People used to live here. So guys, I think we have to go somewhere over there. Manish, come fast.
We are coming.
Come fast, guys. We don't have much time. Oh,
Huh?
there's something over here.
There is nothing over there. Don't waste our time.
Must be another bottle cap.
No. There's something over here, I swear. Just come over here. Take a look first. Must be some beer cap or something. No. The readings are louder. See. Bring the shawl. No, don't use shawl. There are lots of ants here. Manish, does this detect ants?
No.
Bones?
Doesn't detect bones.
There's something over here. It's showing reading 24. It's showing 24. See this? There's nothing over here. And now here. Look, here. Slowly. Whoa! Oh, this is a saw.
Oh man.
This is our treasure, guys.
Oh no.
In the jungle, you're going to find these kind of things. What did you expect? Keep it safe.
We are finding all this crap.
Let me see if there's more.
Set the machine to find something good. Can't we do that? Set it to find gold.
Look behind you. There's a tree inside a tree. We got our treasure.
So guys, finally we found our treasure in the lake. Hold the machine. So guys, we finally found a very big treasure here. Show it. So let me show you guys. This is our treasure. Boro shield. So guys, we only found this. This also had aluminium coating, so the machine found this. We searched the whole lake, but we couldn't find anything. Baba, your jungle has nothing. It's just a matter of luck, guys.
Ancient people used this.
Let's try once more. So guys, we found this and some beer cans, beer bottle caps and other bottle caps. After digging 2 feet, we found this. Let's go search somewhere else. Come on.
Treasure.
So where are we going now? Over there? Yep. Guys, another lake up ahead. You must be thinking why we are searching these jungles. It's a jungle now, but there used to be a civilization here. There used to be wars at that time, so maybe somebody buried a treasure here. You never know. It's showing 2 feet. Dig here.
Let's do this.
Huh? Come on, guys. Put this aside. Otherwise, it will detect this. Keep it far away. Far away. Manish, tell me one thing. If the soil itself has metal in it, it will keep detecting that as well. And that means it's gonna keep on beeping everywhere. This Boro Plus and beer cans, and we are not looking for these, right? So guys, as you know, we have this machine, and whenever we go for an adventure, we use this to search for stuff. And it's not like that we don't find stuff. We have found many old things many a times. So I'm telling you that this works pretty well.
I got something.
Huh?
I heard sound.
Must be some rock.
No. Listen.
Woo! Dig, 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 dig.
Remove the dirt. Remove the dirt. Remove the soil.
Oh, wow! Whoa! Guys, come over here. Come over here.
Yay!
Guys, as you can see, there's something over here. We don't know what it is, but there is something here. Oh, wait.
Is it gold?
No, it's not gold. It's iron.
Iron?
Yes, iron.
It's heavy.
Wow, man. Easy. It'll break. Don't pull it like that. Don't. Stand back. You'll break it. Stand back. Wow, man.
At least we got something. My God. What is it?
Let's see. Guys, look at this. Stand back. Let them see. Look at that. It's almost out. Shall we pull it?
Haan, pull. Whoa.
Whoa, man. Look at this, guys.
Yeah. Woo.
So, guys, finally we got this. And this is why we got such a strong reading. Manish! Woohoo!
Cloth hanger.
No, it's not a cloth hanger.
Are you sure?
So, guys, look at this. Take a closer look.
Let's clean it.
So, guys, finally, Baba, you finally proved yourself right. Otherwise, people would be saying, who goes to jungle to find treasures, huh? So, guys, this is, as we found this in a lake, so this could be a
Chain?
this must be connected to a chain, like an anchor.
So an anchor looks like this?
Yeah, this must be connected to a chain. So, guys, I think this is used for finding things that's fallen into the lake. For example, something like a
Bucket? Something like a
or
bucket.
bracelets or ornaments or something like that. So they must be throwing this to pick it up from underwater. So we found this in the lake. So let's search for more.
Let's dig for more.
Keep this aside. Let's try again. No, nothing more. There's no reading now. So now there's nothing here. So let's search the lake again. So guys, we found 3 things till now. One, we found a saw which is used for cutting trees and all. Then we found this and Boro. What was that? Boro
We threw
plus?
it away.
And some beer cans and stuff like that. Let's search for more. Come on. It starts racing. We start thinking it might be gold, silver. You never know. Guys, there's something over there. It looks like a castle. Baba, shall we go there?
Yeah, let's go there.
We might find something there. To reach there, we'll have to climb the whole mountain and we'll have to go through all these thorns.